What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to show you how to change the inside door handle of the back of a 2008 Kia Spectra. Let's go. I'll show you how. It's pretty fast. Alright, so this 2008 Kia Spectra, we're going to change out the inside door handles because this one's a little cracked in the inside. But yeah, let's begin. First off, you're going to locate the two screws that hold it down. They have one here and another here. And you're gonna also take out this panel along with this to pop up because there's two screws here, and then there's another one that's in there. You pop open this latch and another screw in there that holds this thing together, and then of course you pry it open. So let's begin. I'm gonna open this with a screwdriver, and I'm gonna pop that open with the screwdriver as well as the two caps for those screws, and then I'm gonna unscrew it. I got a screwdriver, I got a Phillips head to pry open this thing. Looks like that. I'm gonna save that. The little armrest has another one, so you gotta pry it open as well. Looks like that. It reveals the two screws that you need to take out. Alright, so then we're gonna pop open this one that's hidden in the door handle panel thing. My screwdriver can't really pry it open, so I use my trusty pocket knife just to pop it open. Okay. The caps also. This 2008 Kia Spectra has two caps on the back passenger door. You're going to need to take out to reveal the two screws that you need to unscrew. Save these are important. Alright, so after I took out this panel thing and the armrest panel to reveal these two screws and the caps, and as well as pop this open, it's time to unscrew. But remember, there's always a wire that's connecting these window controls, remotes, you know, so be careful when you pry it open. So I'm just gonna unscrew, remember where the screws go, and yeah, let's go fast forward now. Screws that we took out, there's gonna be one there, one there, one there, one there, and a last one over here. So all we gotta do is we're gonna pry it open to get this door panel off. Just remember, since this one's off, this panel comes off. So we're gonna shimmy it out slightly, slide it off slightly right there. And this is what we're gonna change. This is held together by these two cables for the lock and for the door handle, which run this latch that goes into this door actuator that's kind of like around there to work on this. So yeah, we take this out and then we're gonna pop it open. Alright, so this is the wire that connects to the remote for the window. These are the lock latches that I'm talking about, and for the door, and it goes into the actuator. So we're gonna replace this because it's cracked. You can see it's kind of like duct tape, get it hard. So we're gonna unhook this pin. You can use a screwdriver or your finger, you know. It's pretty simple. After you, take this out, and then you're gonna unscrew this screw that holds it in. I don't know if you can see that, but there's a screw there that holds it in. This is what holds the handle. So we're unscrewing it. Pretty easy fix. After you unscrew the save the screw. Like I told you, these cable things, these things that latch on, you're just gonna unhook it, and the easiest way to do this is kind of push as such as you kind of pull it out, and then you just unhook the cables for the lock and for the door. This is the old one. Let's go get the new one. Alright, so we got the old one here and we got the new one. This one's chrome finish. This is just regular plastic one. This one's from Dorman. I like this brand. It's pretty good. I use it on all the door handles that I switch off over the years. So best advice, as always, is to compare each part, old, new, and see how they look and how they run. And then we're just gonna do kind of everything that we just did for this old one in reverse, which is we're gonna push this cable through, put it into that lock for the door handle, as well as this one for the lock and the door, such as that, and We're gonna put it into these holes that lock it in place, and all we're gonna do is slide this way, and we're done. And then that screw that we took, we're gonna do everything in kind of reverse order of what we did. And we should be good. Let's go do it in reverse order. Alright, so we put all the things on and we changed out our broken interior door handle to our new one. Our new interior door handle for a Kia Spectra 2008. Now let's see if it works. That simple. Alright, thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. And if you're a 2008 Kia Spectra owner, yeah, do it yourself. It's a pretty easy fix. You can do it yourself. Order the parts from Rock Auto. Shout out Rock Auto for the cheap parts. Yep, peace out. Like, comment, and subscribe.